Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you a super simple way to create a digital business card in Canva that looks professional and is ready to share instantly. Whether you're networking, promoting your brand, or just want to stand out, this method is perfect for 2025. Let's dive in. First, head over to Canva and log into your account. Once you're in, look for the search bar at the top and type in digital business card. Canva will show you a bunch of templates designed specifically for digital use. Take a moment to scroll through and find a template that matches your style, something that feels personal and professional at the same time. Once you've found one you like, click on it and then hit Customize this template. Now comes the fun part, making it your own. Start by changing the picture. On the left sidebar, click Uploads, then Upload Files to add your own photo. Once uploaded, simply drag it into the frame to replace the existing image. This instantly makes the card yours. Next, update the text fields. Change the name, your job title, and your contact information. Make sure everything is accurate and easy to read because this is the information people will use to reach you. You can also play around with fonts, colors, and layouts if you want to match your personal brand even more. Canva makes it really intuitive, so feel free to experiment until it looks perfect. Once your card looks exactly how you want it, it's time to save it. Click Share at the top right, then select Download. Canva lets you download it in multiple formats like PNG, JPG, or even PDF, so pick the one that works best for you. And that's it. You now have a sleek, professional digital business card ready to share online, via email, or even QR codes. Creating a digital business card in Canva is fast, easy, and it gives you a polished way to present yourself in 2025. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more design tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.